Welcome to The Explainer. We're asking a big question today. How do you find courage for the impossible?
So let's see how one man, Axel, goes from terrified to determined in Jules Verne's classic adventure.
This is pretty much Axel's brain on fire. His uncle just proposed an insane trip, and he's spiraling. See, Axel's a scientist, but this plan, to him, it's just pure madness, totally illogical and dangerous. And right here, you see the central problem. It's Axel's caution clashing with his uncle's wild ambition. So, in a last-ditch effort, Axel turns to his fiancée, Gruben. He's hoping she'll talk some sense into his uncle. He basically begs her, right? He's positive she'll agree with him and shut this whole thing down. Yeah, she does the exact opposite. Instead of fear, she shows this incredible courage. Whoa. She doesn't just say go, oh no. She gives a speech that totally changes how Axel sees everything. And it's brilliant. She talks about science, honor, and becoming his uncle's equal. She hits him right where it counts. And it works. Her bravery makes his own fear feel, well, kind of shameful. So the decision's made. Suddenly, the house is just swarming with gear. There's no turning back now. And just look at this stuff. All this gear, it makes this crazy vertical journey feel terrifyingly real. Plus, the timeline is insane. His uncle leaves absolutely no room for doubt. They have to go now. And with this promise from Gruben, she seals the deal, giving him the ultimate reason to come back home. But before they actually go down into the earth, the professor has one last terrifying test for him. They get to this church in Copenhagen with a massive, spiraling spire. Yep, this is the spot for his lesson. Right at the top, the professor pretty much forces him to look down and face his vertigo head-on. And Axel's reaction? Pure terror. He's crawling, eyes shut, completely freaking out. And get this, his uncle makes him do this climb every day for 5 straight days. But you know what? The brutal training actually works. He's still scared, but he's ready for what's next. So Axel's found some courage, sure, but when does the real journey actually begin? The true test still lies